Yo, what up? It's your boy Windy City Rider. We back for another video. I know it's been a while. We had some trials and tribulations, internally within the family. I lost my father, so I had just took some time away to step back and kind of get myself back going, man. Get myself back together. That's a hard process. Even if your parents prepare you for it, it's nothing like going through it. So, now I'm back trying to get these videos back pumping out. We back with another product install. We got I got this from a website, LOYO. I saw this on Ride Fit Nation's video. They are similar to the Baja. It's the Baja design look, but at a much cheaper price. So, we're gonna go ahead and get that installed on the Road Glide today. So when we get out here on the road, we got a couple trips planned. We're gonna be out here on the ground, man, getting these videos out, getting this content. We back on the grind, baby. All right, first thing we're gonna do is gonna get the bike on the jack so we can go ahead and get the outer fan removed. This will not be a full product install, meaning I'm not gonna go through on how to take the fan off. We've done that plenty of times. There's plenty of videos to show you how to do that. So we'll go ahead and get started. Let's get this bike on the jack. Let's get going. All right, so we got the fairing off. Forgot to hit record. We already took the 4 screws out of the light. But we got the fairing off, and go ahead and remove the light fixture for now. Pull it out, then you see the quick release fitting that's supplying power to the light. We're gonna go ahead and remove that. Sorry about shaky camera. One hand man over here. So we'll go ahead and flip this tab back, remove this light. Don't lose that screw. Get the light out of there. All right, let's go ahead and get the packaging open for the new light fixture. Got some good instructions. There's the fixture there. She looking good. Let's see what she looks like. See what this quality looks like. It's got some nice weight to it also. Actually, it's solid for the price that I paid. It's nowhere near the Baja design as far as pricing, but the cosmetics, the quality, you can definitely feel it's there. It's heavy, solid. We got wiring harness. So we got to run this to the battery terminal, probably down the neck of the bike. So gotta get this seat off and get this tank off. Go from there, get this install moving. All right, well, we got the seat off. We will have to get this tank off also. I tried to fish it through the frame of the bike, because that channel goes all the way up to the front, but we couldn't because it has a large plug on here, and it wasn't really worth it to damage the plug to get that to the back of the bike. So we're gonna go ahead and get this tank removed so we can run that down the backbone. Ooh, man, look, it's a hot, humid one in this garage. It's raining outside a little bit. Well, it stopped, but it's still humid as hell. But we got the tank off. So now we need to run this wire harness here. We need to run the wire harness here down the neck of the back. I know you guys can't see through all the wires, but we're gonna run that down through the neck of the bike, through the neck, and down to the negative and positive battery terminal so we can get supply power up front. Then we'll button all this back up and get back to the front of the bike, go from there. All right, now that we got that neatly ran through the fairing down the neck of the bike, we got it connected to the negative and positive. So now we're gonna just go back, zip tie all these wires, well, this harness, to my braking clutch line, so we can clean that up so we can get the tank put back on. Go from there so we can check out how bright these joints are gonna be. Then I got to take a night ride. Probably won't be in this video just because it's raining. I just washed my bike. I really don't want to get it wet unnecessarily, but we'll see. All right, now that we got the tank and everything buttoned back up, we're back to the front of the bike. Gonna go ahead and work with this wire harness, plugging it into the back of the light. Let me get us mounted up real quick. Cool, perfect. Alright, so we go ahead and get the light out. Get it nice and sturdy. So we got one connector here that goes to the factory plug. So that's pretty simple, self-explanatory. Plug that up. And then from the harness, we got two plugs that match up. The wiring doesn't seem to be different, so we'll go ahead and plug that one there. Plug that one there. Then we'll go ahead and try to figure out about getting all of this inside of the fan. Oh, almost fucked up. Alright, so we're there. Let's try to figure out if we can find somewhere to mount these what appear to be relays. Let's just open it up and take a look. Yep, relay. Go ahead and close that back. You gotta remember, the more stuff you put on this bike, lights, audio, the more stuff to get in the way, the more stuff you gotta take off for the next install. So always make sure you're installing the right stuff at the right time, just to stop you from having to go back and forth taking all this crap loose. Alright, we almost got the light fully installed. We just gotta get 2 more screws. I can organize some of the wires up here. Then we'll go ahead and turn it on to see how she looks. Alright, for the most part we got it got the light installed. Sorry if the video jumping around. It's pretty hot and humid in this in the garage. So hey man, trying to get up out of here. But so far that's what we're looking like. Looks pretty good. Let's see if we can mount this somewhere that way we can get a shot and see how bright it is. Looks pretty good. Let's see what the high beam looks like. Pretty good, I like it. Came out pretty good. My bad about the radio. So we're gonna go ahead to get the bike button back up. Conclude the video. See if we can get some riding footage. It'll be daylight, but we might get some riding footage at nighttime eventually. Here we are with a look at the fit and finish. How neatly that fits in the fairing. All the lines line up. You won't be getting any water in there because everything is sealed. I am highly impressed with this product, especially at the price line. Everybody should go to LOYO/LED.com. Everybody should give a strong consideration for this light. Great product. Nighttime reviews, riding, excellent. I even blinded a couple people. So, works great. Works as advertised, man. Looks as advertised also. There's a good shot from the side. They bright as hell. Them with the brights on. Let's see what they look like without the brights. Oh yeah, I'm satisfied with those. Those are bright as hell. Gonna be a lot of upset drivers. Yeah, we out here about to get some night footage of what this LOYO headlight can do. Seems to be pretty bright in the daytime, so let's put it to the real test. Oh yeah, we're gonna be out there nice. We bright as shit. Let's go. That's the high beam. This is without the high beam. That's night and day difference. Low beam, these are the high beam. The night and day difference. That's the low beam. Very, very bright. Beam, probably can't tell too much. Well, oh yeah, yes you can, but they're bright as hell. I like them. More than satisfied with the products from LOYO. Fraction of the cost than the competitor. Alright guys, those lights are installed. That's it for today's video. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back with more content. Like I said, we had a death in the family. I lost my father, so it took time to get back on my feet, man. I had to take care of a lot of things. We're not going to edit this video as much, so excuse any imperfections. I was too anxious to get my light installed, and hey man, more to come. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for me. Holla at your boy. We back.